WhatsApp important settings. WhatsApp is a widely used messaging application with various settings that can enhance your user experience and privacy. In this guide, we will explore some important settings in WhatsApp to help you make the most out of the app. 1. Account settings. Profile. Customize your profile picture, name, and status. Two-step verification. Add an extra layer of security to your account by enabling two-step verification, which requires a PIN when registering your phone number with WhatsApp. Privacy. Control who can view your profile picture, status, last seen, and other information. 2. Chat settings. Wallpaper. Personalize your chat backgrounds by selecting wallpapers from the provided options or using your own photos. Chat backup. Enable automatic backups to Google Drive or iCloud to keep your chats and media files safe. Chat history. Control how messages are displayed, including options for archiving, clearing chat history, and deleting messages after a specified period. Media visibility. Choose whether downloaded media files, photos, videos, etc., are visible in your device's gallery. 3. Notifications. Message notifications. Customize how you receive notifications, including pop-up notifications, sound alerts, and message preview settings. Group notifications. Configure group-specific notifications to avoid getting overwhelmed by frequent messages. Silent mode. Temporarily mute notifications for a specific chat or group without leaving the conversation. 4. Data and storage usage. Media auto-download. Control the automatic download of photos, videos, and audio files when connected to mobile data, Wi-Fi, or roaming. Call settings. Manage call settings, such as the default call app, low data usage during calls, and call recording preferences. Storage usage. Analyze and manage storage usage by checking which chats and media files consume the most space. 5. Privacy and security. Last seen. Choose who can see your last seen timestamp or disable it entirely. Read receipts. Control the blue ticks that indicate when someone has read your message. Blocked contacts. View and manage a list of blocked contacts, preventing them from sending you messages or viewing your profile information. Two-step verification. Set up and manage the two-step verification PIN for added account security. 6. Account privacy. Profile photo. Choose who can see your profile picture, whether it's everyone, contacts only, or nobody. About. Decide who can view your About information, which includes your status message. Status. Customize the privacy settings for your status updates, allowing you to share with everyone, contacts only, or a selected group of individuals. Live location. Control who can see your real-time location in WhatsApp. 7. Payments. UPI payments. Set up and manage your Unified Payments Interface, UPI, account to send and receive money through WhatsApp. Payment history. Review your payment history and manage your linked bank accounts. 8. Account security. Two-step verification. Enable two-step verification to create an additional layer of security. This feature requires a PIN that you will need to enter periodically when registering your phone number with WhatsApp. Login devices. Review and manage the devices where your WhatsApp account is active. You can log out of devices or enable log out from all devices for added security. 9. Chat settings. Font size. Adjust the font size of the text within chats for better readability. Text input. Customize the behavior of the enter key, including sending a message or inserting a new line. Link previews. Choose whether WhatsApp automatically generates link previews for URLs shared in chats. Swipe to reply. Enable swipe gestures to quickly reply to a specific message in a chat. Stickers. Manage the sticker packs installed on your device and access the sticker store. 10. Calls. Call notifications. Configure call notification settings, such as ringtone, vibration, and pop-up display. Call waiting. Enable or disable the call waiting feature that allows you to receive incoming calls while you are already on a call. Low data usage. Reduce data consumption during voice and video calls to minimize your internet usage. 11. Storage and data usage. Network usage. Monitor your data usage while connected to mobile data or Wi-Fi. View detailed statistics and adjust settings to conserve data. Auto-download settings. Customize the automatic download settings for photos, videos, audio files, and documents to save storage space and data usage. 12. Advanced. Language. Change the language used in the WhatsApp interface. App theme. Choose between the light and dark themes for the WhatsApp interface. Chat backup. Manually backup your chat history to save it locally or to a cloud storage service. Fingerprint lock. Protect your WhatsApp conversations with an additional layer of security using your device's fingerprint scanner. Blocked contacts. Manage your blocked contacts list and control who can interact with you. Remember to review and adjust these settings periodically to ensure they align with your preferences and requirements. WhatsApp settings offer a wide range of customization options that can enhance your communication experience while maintaining your privacy and security. Thanks for watching.